A Louisville man has been arrested after police say he set his wife's dog on fire. Bobby Atkinson is charged with torture of a dog, cruelty to animals, menacing, and terroristic threatening. Officers responded to the home on Cecil Avenue earlier this afternoon. According to an arrest citation, the wife says Atkinson threatened to shoot her after an argument. The wife left the home and later returned. That's when she heard the smoke alarm going off and smelled something burning. She says she found one of her dogs covered in ash with open wounds and burnt fur. The other dog was having trouble standing. Both had accelerant on their fur. They were taken to LMAS for treatment.